Hi everyone. First of all, carbonyl compounds. The main carbonyl compounds are aldehydes and ketones. The main carbonyl compounds, that is aldehydes and ketones. So first of all, heading preparation methods of carbonyl compounds. Preparation methods of carbonyl compounds. And first preparation method of carbonyl compound, that is from alcohols, oxidation of alcohols. Second one also same from alcohols, dehydrogenation of alcohols. Third one is from alkenes or Walker's process. Fourth one is from alkynes, for example acetylene and 1-propyne. And fifth one is Rosenmann's reduction, and Rosenmann's reagent is palladium barium sulfate. And sixth one is Friedel-Crafts acylation or acetylation. Next, seventh one is Gattermann-Koch reaction, benzene to benzaldehyde. And eighth one is Etoard reaction, toluene to benzaldehyde. And ninth one is Stephen reaction, alkyl cyanides converted into aldehydes in the presence of Stephen reducing agent, that is tin chloride plus HCl. So these 9 preparation methods are completed in previous class. And next preparation method. So preparation methods. Preparation methods of carbonyl compounds. So the main carbonyl compounds are aldehydes and ketones. Already 9 methods are completed in previous class. Next one, 10th method. From carboxylic acids. From carboxylic acids. From carboxylic acid. 10th preparation method of carbonyl compounds. First of all, acetic acid. Acetic acid formula CH3, C double bond OH. Compound name is acetic acid. Formula CH3, C double bond OH. Plus formic acid. Formic acid formula HC double bond OH. Acetic acid. Next one, formic acid. So in the presence of MnO at 300 degrees Celsius temperature. MnO at 300 degrees Celsius temperature. Then carboxylic acids are acetic acid and formic acid converted into acetaldehyde. Formula CH3, C double bond OH, and byproducts are carbon dioxide and water molecule H2. So CH3, C double bond OH. So main compound is acetaldehyde. Formula CH3, C double bond OH. For example, first carbon atom, second carbon atom, third carbon atom. Total carbon atoms are 3. Next same 1, 2 and 3 carbon atoms. Next oxygen atoms 2 plus 2, 4. Same 1 plus 2 plus 1, 4 oxygen atoms. Hydrogen atoms 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. Okay. For example, only acetic acid, but 2 moles of acetic acid. Formula CH3, C double bond OH. So this is acetic acid, but 2 moles of acetic acid. Formula CH3, C double bond OH. Same MnO at 300 degrees Celsius temperature. Then acetic acid directly converted into acetone. Formula CH3, C double bond O, CH3. So compound name is acetone. CH3, C double bond O, CH3. And byproducts are same, that is carbon dioxide plus water molecule. So first of all, total number of carbon atoms 2 into 2, 4. Same 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 4 carbon atoms. Okay. So 10th method is from carboxylic acids. For example, acetic acid plus formic acid. In the presence of MnO at 300 degrees Celsius temperature, then acetic acid and formic acid convert into aldehyde, CH3, C double bond OH. And next one is same acetic acid but 2 moles of acetic acid, CH3, C double bond OH. In the presence of MnO at 300 degrees Celsius temperature, then acetic acid converted into acetone, and byproducts are carbon dioxide and water. The main carbonyl compounds are aldehydes and ketones, that is acetaldehyde and acetone. So different carbonyl compounds, but main carbonyl compounds are acetaldehyde and ketones, that is acetone. Okay, so 10th method is from carboxylic acids, and 11th method, last and final method, from gem dihalides. Next, 11th method, from gem dihalides. From gem gem dihalides. Gem dihalides. From gem dihalides. Gem dihalides. So are geminal dihalides. Geminal dihalides means same carbon has a two halogen atoms. So that is gem dihalides or geminal dihalides. For example, CH3 bond, C bond, Cl bond, Cl bond, H. So it is one of the gem dihalide because same carbon atom or only one carbon atom has a two halogen atoms. That is gem dihalide or geminal dihalide. So first of all, formula CH3 bond, C bond, Cl bond, H, and compound name is 1, 2 chlorine atoms. So dichloro, and 2 carbon atoms each, and single bond A. So compound name is 1, 1 dichloroethane or geminal dihalide. And geminal dihalide react with aqueous NaOH, sodium hydroxide, but 2 moles of aqueous sodium hydroxide. So very simple answer, 2 moles of sodium. Next to 2 chlorine atoms. So byproduct is 2NaCl. And remaining answer is CH3, C, OH, H. So remaining answer is CH3, next C, OH, and hydrogen atom. Okay, so CH3, C, Cl, H plus 2 moles of aqueous NaOH. So very simple, 2 moles of sodium. Next 2 moles of chlorine. So removal of 2NaCl, 2 moles of sodium chloride, and remaining answer is CH3, CH, next OH. Okay. So further action of it, very simple. So removal of water, minus H2O. So remaining answer is CH3, C double bond O H. Our product CH3, C double bond O H, and byproduct is water. So this is our compound acetaldehyde. Formula CH3, C double bond O H. Okay. So heading from gem dihalides or geminal dihalides. First of all, 1, 1 dichloroethane, formula CH3, C, Cl, H plus 2 moles of aqueous NaOH. So very simple, 2 moles of sodium next to 2 chlorine atoms. So removal of 2NaCl. Remaining answer CH3, CH, and 2 moles of OH. First mole of OH, second mole of OH. And further action of it, so removal of water, minus H2O. So remaining answer is CH3, C double bond OH. And byproduct is water. So main compound is acetaldehyde and byproduct is water. And next the same geminal dihalide. For example, CH3, C, Cl, CH3. And compound name is 1, 2, 3. So 2, 2 chlorine atoms, dichloro, 2, 2 dichloro, 3 carbon atoms, pro, and single bond N. So ionic name is 2, 2 dichloropropane, 3 carbon atoms, pro, and single bond A, 2, 2 dichloropropane. It is one of the geminal dihalide. dihalide. Geminal dihalide. It is one of the geminal dihalide. So very simple. So react with 2 moles of aqueous NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Aqueous NaOH, sodium hydroxide. So very simple. 2 moles of sodium. 2 moles of sodium. Next to 2 chlorine atoms. So removal of NaCl. 2 moles of sodium chloride. Sodium. So simple answer CH3. Next C. 2 moles of OH, CH3. So CH3 bond. Next C bond, CH3. CH3 bond, C bond, CH3. Next 2 moles of hydroxy groups. So first mole hydroxy group, second mole hydroxy group. Okay? And further action of heat. So very simple, removal of water. So minus H2O, removal of water. So byproduct is H2O, water molecule, and remaining answer is CH3, C double bond O, CH3, C double bond O, CH3. One of the carbonyl compound is acetone. Formula CH3, C double bond O, CH3, and byproduct is water formula H2O. So this is last preparation method, that is from gem dihalides or geminal dihalides. So very simple, 2, 2 dichloropropane, one of the geminal dihalide, react with 2 moles of aqueous NaOH. So 2 moles of sodium, 2 chlorine atoms, removal of NaCl. Remaining answer CH3, CH3, OH, 2 moles of OH. So OH. And further action of it, so H2O, removal of water. Remaining answer CH3, C bond formation, so C double bond O, CH3, acetone, and byproduct is water. So these are preparation methods of carbonyl compounds. So preparation methods of carbonyl compounds are completed. So first one from alcohols, second one also alcohols, third one is alkenes or Walker's process, fourth one is from alkynes, and fifth one very important neighbor reaction, that is Rosenmann's reaction, and sixth one Friedel-Crafts acetylation, seventh one Gutterman-Koch reaction, eighth one Itold reaction, toluene into benzaldehyde, and ninth one is Stephen reaction, and 10th one from carboxylic acids, and 11th one is from gem dihalides or geminal dihalides. Okay, so these are preparation methods of carbonyl compounds. So preparation methods of carbonyl compounds completed. Okay, next. So next heading. So preparation methods of carbonyl compounds completed. Okay. Next heading. Properties. Of carbonyl compounds. Properties of carbonyl compounds. Okay. So the main carbonyl compounds are aldehydes and ketones. Okay. So heading properties of carbonyl compounds. First property. React with hydrogen cyanide. HCl means hydrogen cyanide. So formula HCl, hydrogen cyanide formula is. First of all, aldehyde, acetaldehyde formula CH3, C double bond O H. Actually heading properties of carbonyl compounds like aldehydes and ketones. For example, acetaldehyde formula acetaldehyde formula CH3, C double bond O H plus hydrogen cyanide formula HCl. So this is one of the addition reaction. Very simple reaction. For example, CH3 C bond H. Next O minus H plus ion OH. Next Cl. Addition reaction. So very simple acetaldehyde formula CH3 C double bond OH plus hydrogen cyanide formula HCl. So CH3 CH, O minus H plus ion OH, next Cl. And compound name is acetaldehydes. 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 Cyanohydrin. Cyanohydrin. Compound name is acetaldehyde cyanohydrin. Cyanohydrin. So compound name is acetaldehyde cyanohydrin. Formula CH3CHOH One of the addition reaction. For example, acetone formula CH3C double bond O CH3. One of the carbonyl compound, that is acetone. Formula CH3C double bond O CH3. Plus same hydrogen cyanide formula HCN. Hydrogen cyanide. So very simple answer. For example, same CH3C bond CH3. Next C bond CH3. O minus H plus ion. So OH. Next CN cyanide. Okay, CH3C bond CH3. CH3C bond CH3. Next O minus H plus ion. OH. Next Cn. And the compound name is acetone. Cyanohydrin. Acetone cyanohydrin. Or acetone cyanohydrin. And compound name is acetones cyanohydrin. Cyanohydrin. Okay. So first of all, react with hydrogen cyanide. Hydrogen cyanide formula SCN. First of all, acetaldehyde CH3C double bond OH plus hydrogen cyanide formula SCN. So very simple answer. CH3CH O minus H plus ion. OH next Cn. Compound name is acetaldehyde cyanohydrin. Next same acetone formula CH3C double bond O CH3 plus hydrogen cyanide formula SCN. So CH3CCH3 next O minus H plus ion. OH and Cn. Acetones cyanohydrin. Acetaldehyde cyanohydrin. Next one acetone cyanohydrin. So first property, reaction with hydrogen cyanide. Okay. And next second property. Very simple property. First property of carbonyl compounds is react with hydrogen cyanide. Next second property of carbonyl compounds. That is react with sodium bisulfide. React with sodium bisulfide. Generally, sodium bisulfide formula NaHSO3. Sodium bisulfide. So formula NaHSO3. Sodium bisulfide. NaHSO3. So first of all, acetaldehyde, same one of the carbonyl compound. Formula CH3C double bond OH. So this is acetaldehyde. Formula CH3C double bond OH plus sodium bisulfide formula NaHSO3. Sodium bisulfide. So this is also one of the addition reaction. So very simple answer. First of all, CH3C bond H. Next O minus H plus ion OH. Next SO3 and overall charge minus. Next sodium charge plus Na plus addition reaction. So very simple. CH3C bond H. Next O minus H plus ion OH. Next SO3 and overall charge minus. Next Na plus ion. And compound name is acetaldehydes. Sodium bisulfide. Acetaldehyde. Sodium bisulfide. For example, acetone formula CH3C double bond O CH3. Compound name is acetone. CH3C double bond O CH3. One of the carbonyl compound. Plus same sodium bisulfide formula NaHSO3. Sodium bisulfide. Same simple answer. CH3C bond CH3. Next C bond CH3. Okay. Next O minus H plus ion. So O minus H plus ion OH. Next SO3. Next overall charge minus charge Next Na plus ion. Na plus ion. Same answer. CH3 C CH3. CH3 C CH3. O minus H plus ion. OH. Next SO3. SO3 and overall charge minus next Na plus. And compound name is acetone sodium bisulfite. Acetones. Acetones sodium bisulfite. Sodium by ITE sulfide. Sodium bisulfite. Okay. So second property reaction with sodium bisulfite, formula NaHSO3. It is also one of the addition reaction. So acetaldehydes, sodium bisulfite. Next acetones, sodium bisulfite. Sodium bisulfite. Okay. So second property reaction with sodium bisulfite. Formula important NaHSO3. Next one. Third property of carbonyl compounds. Next, the third property of carbonyl compounds react with hydroxylamine. Hydroxylamine. First property hydrogen cyanide and products are cyanohydrins. Second one sodium bisulfite. Same products are addition products sodium bisulfite. And third one is hydroxylamine. Generally hydroxylamine formula H2N bond OH. H2N bond OH. OH means hydroxylamine NH2. So hydroxylamine formula H2N bond OH. So first of all acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde formula CH3 C double bond OH. CH3 C double bond OH. So this is our compound acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde formula CH3 C double bond OH plus hydroxylamine formula H2N bond OH. Hydroxylamine. So this is hydroxylamine formula H2N bond OH. First of all carbonyl compound, that is acetaldehyde formula CH3 C double bond OH, and acetaldehyde react with hydroxylamine H2N bond OH. So very simple answer. For example H2 next to O, H2O. So byproduct is water. Byproduct is water molecule. So remaining answer CH3 CH. Next double bond N bond OH. So remaining answer is CH3 CH. CH3 CH double bond next N bond OH. Okay. So first of all byproduct is water, 2 hydrogen atoms, next 1 oxygen atom H2O. Remaining answer CH3 CH double bond CH3 CH double bond next N bond OH. And compound name is acetaldehydes oxide. So compound name is acetaldehyde oxide. Acetaldehydes oxide. OXIME oxide. Very important. So hydroxylamine products are oxide. Acetaldehydes oxide. Next one acetone. Acetone formula CH3 C double bond O CH3. One of the carbonyl compound, that is acetone. CH3 C double bond O CH3 plus hydroxylamine formula same H2N bond OH. Hydroxylamine same compound hydroxylamine formula H2N bond OH. So very simple answer, same answer. H2 plus oxygen atom H2O. So byproduct is water. Remaining answer CH3 C CH3 next C CH3 double bond CH3 C CH3 double bond next N bond OH. Double bond N bond OH. Same oxides but acetone oxides. So acetaldehyde oxides. Next one acetone oxides. So important. First one cyanohydrin, second one same sodium bisulfite, next one acetaldehyde oxides, next one acetone oxides. So acetaldehyde oxides, acetone, so acetone oxide. So this is third property of carbonyl compounds, that is react with hydroxylamine and products are oxides. So acetaldehyde oxides, next one acetone oxides. Okay. Next fourth property. So first one hydrogen cyanide. Second one sodium bisulfite. And third one hydroxylamine. Formula H2N bond OH. Next. Next, fourth property. Reaction with hydrazine. 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 Generally, hydrazine formula N2H4. N2H4 or H2N bond NH2. So this is hydrazine formula N2H4 or H2N bond NH2. So first one hydrogen cyanide, sodium bisulfite, hydroxylamine. So hydrogen cyanide products are cyanoiodines, sodium bisulfite same addition products, and third one hydroxylamine products are oximes, estolide oximes, estone oximes. And next one hydrazine formula H2N bond NH2. First of all, estolide formula CH3C double bond OH. So compound name is acetaldehyde. Compound name is acetaldehyde. CH3C double bond OH. Plus hydrazine. Hydrazine formula H2N bond NH2. H2N bond NH2. Compound name is hydrazine or N2H4. N2H4 hydrazine. So very simple answer. Very simple answer. First of all, H2, next to O. So byproduct is water. Byproduct is water. So remaining answer is CH3CH double bond N bond NH2. So remaining answer is CH3C bond H. CH3C bond H double bond. Next double bond N bond next NH2. N bond NH2. Okay. So CH3 C bond H double bond next N bond NH2. CH3 C bond H double bond N bond NH2, and byproduct is water H2O. And the compound name is acetaldehydes hydrazone. Compound name is acetaldehydes hydrazone. Acetaldehydes hydrazone. So hydrazine, next hydrazone, and compound name is acetaldehydes hydrazone. Acetaldehydes hydrazone. So acetaldehydes hydrazone. Acetaldehydes hydrazone. Hydrazine, next hydrazone. Acetaldehydes hydrazone. For example, acetone formula CH3C double bond O CH3, and compound name is acetone. CH3C double bond O CH. Plus hydrazine formula same H2N bond NH2. So compound name is hydrazine. So first of all, removal of water. Same story, removal of water H2O. So byproduct is H2O. Removal of water. So remaining answer CH3 double bond N bond NH2. So remaining answer CH3 double bond. So double bond next N bond NH2. N bond NH2. And the compound name is acetones. Hydrazone. ZONE. So hydroxylamine oxides. Next one hydrazone. So acetaldehyde hydrazone. Next one acetones hydrazone. So this is fourth property, reactant with hydrazone. So reactant is hydrazone and products are hydrazone. First one is acetaldehydes hydrazone. Next one acetones hydrazone. Okay. So fourth property, react with hydrazine. Formula H2N bond NH2 or N2H4, and products are hydrazone. Acetaldehyde hydrazone. Next one acetones hydrazone. Next. Next one, fifth one. React with phenyl hydrazine. react with phenyl hydrazine. Phenyl hydrazine. So generally phenyl hydrazine. So generally hydrazine formula H2N bond NH2. Hydrazine formula H2N bond NH2. So removal of one hydrogen from hydrazine and adding of phenyl group. So compound name is phenyl hydrazine. Phenyl hydrazine. Phenyl group C6H5 hydrazine H2N bond NH. Actually hydrazine formula H2N bond NH2. So removal of one hydrogen from hydrazine and adding of phenyl group C6H5. So finally phenyl hydrazine formula H2N bond NH next C6H5. Phenyl hydrazine. Phenyl hydrazine. Okay. So phenyl hydrazine formula H2N bond NH bond C6H5. So compound name is phenyl hydrazine. Phenyl hydrazine. Okay. So first of all, estrolide. Estrolide formula CH3 C double bond OH. So this is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde, one of the carbonyl compound, plus phenyl hydrazine. Phenyl hydrazine formula H2N bond NH bond and phenyl ring C6H5. Phenyl ring. Phenyl hydrazine. So phenyl hydrazine formula H2N bond NH bond phenyl ring. Phenyl hydrazine. Very simple answer. H2O. So removal of water. Removal of water. So byproduct is H2O. Byproduct is H2O. Remaining answer CH3 CH. CH3 CH double bond. CH3 CH double bond. N bond NH. N bond NH. Next phenyl ring. N bond NH. Next one phenyl ring. Okay. So CH3 CH. Next double bond N bond NH phenyl ring. CH3 CH double bond next N bond NH PH phenyl ring. And compound name is acetaldehydes. 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 Phenyl hydrazone. Compound name is acetaldehydes. Phenyl hydrazone. Phenyl hydrazone. So phenyl hydrazine converted to phenyl hydrazone. So acetaldehyde phenyl hydrazone. And next one acetone. Acetone formula same CH3 C double bond O CH3. CH3 C double bond O CH3. Compound name is acetone. Acetaldehyde. Next one acetone. Next same phenyl hydrazine formula H2N bond NH. Next phenyl ring C6H5. Phenyl ring C6H5. Same answer. Removal of water. Removal of water. Very simple. H2 next to O. So byproduct is H2O. Byproduct is H2O. Byproduct is H2O. Water molecule. So remaining answer CH3 C CH3. CH3 C CH3. Next double bond CH3 C CH3 double bond N bond NH. N bond NH. Next phenyl ring. Phenyl ring. Phenyl ring. CH3 C CH3. CH3 C CH3. Next double bond. Next N bond NH. Next phenyl ring. Phenyl ring. Okay. And byproduct is water. Water formula H2O. H2O. Main product is CH3C CH3. So CH3C CH3 double bond. Next double bond N bond NH. Next phenyl ring. Phenyl ring. And the compound name is acetone. Compound name is acetone. Phenyl hydrazone. Acetone phenyl hydrazone. ZONE. Okay. Hydrazine and hydrazone. Okay. So first property is reaction with hydrogen cyanide and products are cyanohydrins. And second one sodium bisulfite addition products. And third one is hydroxylamine and products are oximes. Acetaldehydes oximes. Next acetone oximes. And fourth one hydrazine, acetaldehyde hydrazone, acetone hydrazone. And fifth one phenyl hydrazine and products are phenyl hydrozones. Acetaldehydes phenyl hydrazone, acetones phenyl hydrazone. So fifth property, vinyl